What's up YouTube, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the upcoming Air Jordan 11 Retro in the black and red or bread colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. They're an Australian-based men's jewelry and accessory company producing some very wearable, very versatile and high quality product. So today I'm rocking the red tiger eye bead bracelet, which is part of their site-wide Christmas sale. So using my special link down below, you'll be able to get 30% off the entire store plus free worldwide shipping. In addition, you can use the code XMISS19 at checkout to get an additional 15% off as well. So be sure to act fast, a lot of items are starting to sell out. And again, that's Rose Gold and Black. Be sure to show them some love and check them out. So jumping back to the shoes, the Air Jordan 11 Black and Red have been personally one of my most anticipated sneakers for the year. This pair is slated for a worldwide drop December 14th, this coming Saturday, for a retail price of $220 US or $295 here in Canada. For my viewers from Canada, this pair will be available at The Closet Inc. So The Closet Inc. is a sneaker boutique located out of Southern Ontario. So if you're located up north and you're looking to cop a pair, support the independents. I'll add their social media, their website, all that good stuff down below, and be sure to check them out for your Jordan needs. So these Bread 11s have always been one of my favorite Jordans of all time. Originally dropping back in 1996, these were worn by Michael Jordan in the playoffs, so to many people, these are nicknamed the Playoff 11s. The official colorway for this shoe is black, true red, and white, and as you can see, they also come in the OG inspired box as well. So we have this natural or brown colored top with a black Nike swoosh, and then the rest of the box is covered in both red and black. On the front, we have your size label, so Air Jordan 11 Retro, style code 378037061. So following the release of the Space Jam 11s a couple years back, these Bread 11s are also done true to OG form. What I mean by that is they feature a higher patent leather cut, especially when you compare it to the previous 2012 retro of the same shoe. So you can see this patent leather covers the toe box and then it wraps around the sides and the back of the shoe as well, and it runs substantially much higher up the shoe than previous releases. You can also see where the patent leather is cut, it's white inside as well, which is also true to the OG as well. As for the rest of the upper, this is constructed out of a black colored ballistic nylon. And along the sides, we have these nylon straps, which form the eyelets for the laces. In terms of the laces, so these come with your standard rope style laces in black. And then underneath this, we have the tongue, which is also constructed out of nylon. And right in the center, we have the Jumpman Jordan branding, which is common across all your Air Jordan 11s. Towards the back end of the shoe, this is constructed out of a black synthetic leather, which to me had a bit of a stiff and plastic feel to it, and it wasn't nearly as soft as the leather used on the Space Jams or the Concords. On the lateral side only, we have this red Jumpman that's embroidered in place, and you'll notice that both Jumpmen are facing forward. On the back heel, we have the number 23 stylized in your traditional Jordan 11 fashion, and this is stamped on the back in white. Pulling out the insoles, these come with a polyurethane insole, which is lined with black fabric on the top with Nike Air branding on the heel. So the upper of these Jordan 11s sits atop this white colored foam midsole, and embedded within the midsole, we have a full-length Nike Air sole unit. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Jordan 11 outsole. So this is done in this semi-translucent red colored rubber with herringbone traction on both the forefoot and on the back heel as well. And in the middle, you can see the Jumpman logo visible through the outsole, along with a carbon fiber shank plate, which gives you added torsional rigidity and support. So all in all, a very clean recreation of the Air Jordan 11. I personally don't own any of the OGs to compare to, but comparing this guy to the 2012s, I much prefer the look of this pair. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I usually stick with a size 10 for my Air Jordan 11s. For these guys, so I picked these up in a size 10, and overall I'd say that this pair does fit true to size. However, in comparing these guys to my Concords and my Space Jams, these Bread 11s felt noticeably more snug, especially around the pinky area, but it wasn't a big enough problem that I would have to go up a half size. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so with Air Jordan 11s, I typically find that they do need some break-in time, especially with this thick patent leather and the thick and sturdy mesh upper. So straight out of the box, when I wore this for the first day, these were pretty uncomfortable, but if past Jordan 11s are any indication, this pair will soften up, break in, and become much more comfortable over time. In fact, my 2012 pair has actually become one of my more comfortable Jordans in my collection because I've worn them throughout the past 7 years. However, if you're expecting a very soft and well-cushioned feel underfoot right away, then you might be disappointed. They do feel pretty stiff underfoot at first, and even a little bit clunky as well. So with all that being said, then let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. While I know a lot of people will leave these guys out in terms of their sneaker of the year, for me personally, from just a sneaker pickup standpoint, these are definitely in my conversation. As I mentioned from the start, the Bred 11 is super iconic and it's definitely one of my favorite Jordans of all time. So seeing Jordan Brand release a pair true to OG form definitely elevates this pair near the top of my list. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this black and red Air Jordan 11. Are you guys planning on copying these this coming Saturday, or are you guys gonna pass? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Once again, if you guys are watching from Canada, this pair will be available at The Closet Inc., so be sure to check them out. Links are down below. And a final thank you goes out to the sponsor for today's video, Rose Gold and Black. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.